Imagine a future where your money grows without the taxman taking a cut. Sounds appealing, right? In this video, we'll explore tax-free money growth strategies that can help you achieve this goal. First, let's lay the groundwork. Tax-free money growth refers to strategies that allow your investments to grow without incurring taxes on the gains. This means more money in your pocket over time. Now, let's break down the steps involved in leveraging these strategies. Start with a Roth IRA. With this account, you pay taxes up front. Your money grows tax-free, and withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. Next, consider health savings accounts, HSAs. These accounts allow you to save for medical expenses. Like Roth IRAs, contributions are tax-deductible, and withdrawals for qualifying expenses are tax-free. The third strategy is 529 college savings plans. These accounts aid in saving for education. The money grows tax-free, and withdrawals for education costs are also tax-free. Real estate investment can also provide tax advantages. Holding property long-term allows for capital gains, which can be offset by deductions. Next, let's explore municipal bonds. The interest earned is typically exempt from federal income tax. This means your earnings grow without tax reductions. For each of these strategies, diversification remains key. Invest in various assets to mitigate risks while maximizing growth. For example, if you max out your Roth IRA contributions each year, you could potentially grow substantial wealth over time. Essentially, the goal is to make your money work for you while reducing tax liabilities. Embracing these strategies can lead to financial freedom and stability. Mastering your taxes is one of the fastest ways to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Which of these strategies are you going to implement first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, do us both a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content on mastering your finances. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. In summary, we discussed Roth IRAs, HSAs, 529 plans, real estate, and municipal bonds. Each offers unique benefits that promote tax-free growth of your money. Do not forget to subscribe now. It's time to take action. Begin planning your tax-free growth strategy today. Research each option and decide which is right for you. Your financial future depends on it.